Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Defender error 0x800b0100 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart the Windows Defender service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the Windows Defender service. Now here's the thing. Now it has been changed to the Windows Security Service. Simply right click on it and then select start or restart if you have that option, but most probably you won't. But if you have the option, then restart it. The next solution is to run NSFC scan, and that will be sufficient because there's nothing else that you can do. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.